Hey, what's going on? My name is Joe Jackson. I'm the owner of Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to boost your online presence, okay? Get you higher ranking in Google, and start bringing in some of those leads you're missing out on, right? Grow this awesome business you have. So first things first, content is king, okay? Google loves content, so the more content you have on your website, the better. It's going to make Google a lot easier to rank you, okay? So on your homepage, Google likes between 1,500 and 2,000 words. All right, you have about 170 words on your homepage. All right, so definitely want to put a lot more content on there, as well as keywords. Okay, keywords are what people are searching for in your area. All right, if you start ranking for those keywords, it's going to help you bring in more leads that way as well. On your back pages, your services, Google likes to see between 500 and 700 words. All right, you can throw keywords on your back pages as well. And Google loves big built-out websites. Right, so the more pages you have, the better. All right, so each of your services needs to have its own page. Right, that'll definitely help build out your website, make it bigger. And then once again, pages or service pages need to have between 500 and 700 words. Homepage needs to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words. Your competitor, all right, Greenway. First thing you can notice, right, he has a bunch of pages. Right, look at all of his service pages. Okay, each of those service pages has a little over 500. Right, so to outrank him in that area, we're going to do 700 words on your pages, okay? And then, you know, it just continues, right? Pages, right? Big built-out websites, okay? On your homepage, words, he's doing about 1,400, so for 1,600, 1,700 words. Moving on to citations, all right? Citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites, like YouTube, right? Facebook, Pinterest, Yelp. It goes on and on. There's hundreds of them out there, okay? He's only got 82. So if we're going to beat him in this area, all right, we're going to do 160 plus. Okay? We're trying to beat him in every area. So 160 plus. You can come in here, whitespark.ca, type in his information, and go get the ones that you're missing, right? But that'll just put you at 82, right? We're not trying to be even with our competitors, right? We're trying to blow our competitors out of the water in every area, right? You know how that works, okay? You try to beat them in every area when it comes to your business, right? Trying to do better cleaning techniques, faster, what be it. Same thing with your website, okay? Try to beat them in every area. Next is going to be backlinks. All right, this is what pushes power to your website. All right, this is what's going to help you rank to the top, and it's going to help you rank there a lot faster. Okay, when it comes to backlinks, we want quality over quantity. Right? We don't. If you go out there and get 10 good quality backlinks, and I go get 20 bad backlinks, you're going to outrank my website every time. All right, so quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks. As you can see, you got 2 websites. Get this out of here. Sorry about this. Come on. Where's the program? Oh my gosh. Hey man, sorry about that. I had to pause the video and get rid of that annoying thing. Anyways, so I think I was where at. You got 2 websites, right? Pushing 5 backlinks, 17 organic keywords that you're ranking for, right? And you're only doing about 1 organic traffic per month to your website, all right? So very important to get backlinks, pushing power to your website, right? So we can start bringing in more organic traffic. Right, so let's go take a look at your competitors. I'll show you the difference. Oh, that's not what I want. Alright, take a look at this. Alright. Here it comes. Alright, so 296 websites, right? Pushing 1.51 thousand backlinks to this guy's website. Alright, that's a bunch of websites, bunch of backlinks. Alright, that's why this guy has a bunch of power, and that's why he's getting pushed to the top. Alright, and getting 554 organic traffic to his website per month. Alright, just by people typing in these organic keywords he's ranking for. Alright, this could be you, right? You have potential, alright? Your website has potential, your business has huge potential. Alright, so super exciting stuff. Alright, what would 554 organic traffic to your website per month do for you, right? What would that do for your business? What would that do for your personal life? Okay, so super exciting stuff. Definitely something to look into. Okay. After this video, we'll be in contact with you to see if you have any questions, any feedback you can give to us. Would be awesome. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to us. Call or text at 515-468-3039. Thanks.